No overnight stays in cemeteries, no family reunions, and definitely no overcrowding. This year's observance of All Saints and All Souls Days will be different than the usual as well. With the closure of cemeteries from October 29th to November 4th, implementing agencies are hopeful that the public will properly plan their visits to their departed loved ones before or after the said dates while observing strict health protocols. Meantime, flower vendors in Dangwa continue to hope for more sales as the dates draw closer. Luisa Erispe reports.
From October 29 to November 4, public and private cemeteries and columbariums will be closed in Metro Manila. This is what the Interagency Task Force decided on to prevent the spread of COVID-19 during the All Souls Day. But even though cemeteries are open to the public on earlier days, the IATF is still firm and strict to implement a 30% capacity inside the cemeteries. That's why in San Juan City, the local government opted for an inspection to ensure only 270 people are allowed inside for each designated time slot.
Yan po ay base sa direktiba na rin ng IATF na hindi dapat lumagpas sa 30% capacity ang makakapasok. Ngunit ang San Juan Cemetery naman po ay hindi ganong kalaki kumpara sa ibang mga sementeryo. Kung kaya't yung bilang na 270 yan po ay maluwag na.
From 7 a.m. to 11 p.m., San Juan City will open to the public. This time, window was divided into 8 slots for proper scheduling and crowd control. For each time slot, visitors will be allowed 2 hours to stay. Walk-in visitors will also be accepted as long as cemeteries have not reached full capacity. For those who intend to overstay, the San Juan Police will be strict, roving in and outside the vicinity. For Nanay Jophilia, who is 73 years old, these strict guidelines and protocols are much better, especially for citizens her age.
Maganda, tsaka safety siguro, malinis. Tsaka hindi katulad dun, balya.
Today, a little over 167 visitors were on schedule to go to San Juan Cemetery, but the local government expects that this number will increase considerably in the days to come. Meanwhile, prices in Dangwa have not shown changes so far. Moreover, compared to last year, there are fewer buyers around this time. But the vendors are still hoping that beginning the 20th of the month, more than a week before the closure of cemeteries, more customers will arrive.
Matumal pa rin po ngayon eh. Hindi katulad nung nakarang taon, maraming tao. Ngayon, parang tingnan mo na, nakikita naman, walang katao-tao.
Luisa Erispe for The Nation.